좌회전입니다.
Oh, Korean siya.
네, 저는 한국 사람입니다.
안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하세요. You speak Korean?
I can read that a little bit,
Oh,
but
you study?
just self-study, but I don't really understand. You know, just the basic ones like that. I can read them a little.
Try how to read it. We try?
어떻게 지내세요?
네. 어떻게 지내세요?
어떻게 지내세요?
Maybe you watch K-drama.
No, but I tried to learn that when I was a super fan of Super Junior when I was in high school. I tried to learn.
Oh,
How long
first
have you
time.
been here?
3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
No, yeah, that's why I want to learn Tagalog. Can you do that?
Yeah, so the basics.
Yeah. Basic Tagalog.
Salamat.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I know salamat. Salamat po, right?
Salamat po.
Yeah, salamat po. Yeah, what else? Basic?
Magkano? Magkano? How much?
What? Makano?
Magkano?
Makano?
Magkano? Yeah.
What is makano?
How much?
How much? 얼마예요? Yeah, makano.
Should
얼마예요?
얼마예요?
네, how much? 얼마예요?
How are you? You know how are you in Tagalog?
No, what is how?
Kamusta ka? Kamusta
Kamusta
ka?
ka? Kamusta ka?
Yeah.
How are you?
Yes.
Oh, kamusta ka? And what is the answer? Kamusta ka?
What's the answer?
Yeah, if you are kamusta ka?
Okay lang. So, I'm fine.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Okay lang. Yeah. You student?
No, I'm
Working.
working.
Yeah, you working?
Yes. Can you guess how old I am?
Oh.
I'm,
Who are together?
I'm 28.
You 28? I think you 21.
She's my younger sister. She goes to school.
Oh.
I was just with her at school.
Oh.
Yeah. A lot of Filipinos, especially K-pop and K-drama fans, would love to ride here.
Yeah.
I was shocked when I saw, oh, there's Korean.
Yeah.
It must be Korean. Thank God I know how to read a little.
Oh,
Like 좋아요.
you very good.
좋아요.
What?
좋아해요?
좋아요.
좋아요.
Yeah, 좋아요. 네.
Why are you here?
I'm here. My plan here is to have a business, but you know, pandemic.
But there are Korean, businesses are really expanding and very popular here.
Yeah,
Like the Samgyeopsals
yeah.
and the Kmart.
Yeah, I have done business Samgyup.
You do?
My friend.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Where?
Korean friend.
Where?
Makati.
Oh, in Makati. It's too far from here. And it's traffic.
Yeah, the worst here is very traffic, but so nice people. People are so friendly. Filipino people friendly. Yeah, like you entertain me. You
Yeah.
diss me, right? Yeah, that's Filipino.
Mabait.
Yeah, mabait. Mabait siya, Filipino mabait. You single?
Huh?
You single?
Single?
Yeah?
Yeah.
28 years old, you still single?
I know.
What is your name?
Angel.
Angel.
Yeah.
And your sister?
Andrea.
Andrea. Wow.
Are you always around like driving around here.
Yeah.
In QC, Quezon
Yeah,
City.
Cubao.
Cubao, oh,
Yeah,
is it?
Cubao.
Don't forget to always child lock all your doors. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Salamat po.
Can't trust anybody nowadays, especially the kids.
We're near, right? We're near, right?
Yes, just a little more.
On the left, on the right?
I'm on the right side. Here, just in front of this white car. Yes, here.
So dito na po tayo, ma'am.
Ang galing. Thank you.
Ma'am, wait lang po ha.
Naka-video ba tayo, kuya? Ang galing mo doon.
Actually po, vlogger po kasi ako eh.
Oh no.
Po. So, ayun nga po, ma'am. Nahiya tuloy ako sa inyo. Ang bait niyo po eh.
Bakit? Ganun talaga.
Ang bait niyo po.
Diba?
Ang gaganda niyo po.
Kuya, pwede mo na akong anuhin. Huwag mo na akong lokohin na maganda. Para ka namang ginag-grade
Nahiya ako
7.
sa inyo. So actually po, no, vlogger po ako, no? So,
Hindi ako pamilya. Hindi din kasi ako mateki. Ito, baka kilala ka niya mahilig na mag-tiktok.
Anong YouTube?
Oh, diba?
Ano ba YouTube?
Ito po, YouTube. Yan. YouTube at saka Facebook.
Katakot, puta. Baka mamaya mag-viral.
So, ito po yung camera natin, ma'am. It's done!
Legit yan?
Opo, ma'am. Legit po yan.
Kuya!
YouTube na kami.
Kuya, wag.
So, ang tanong po ba, okay lang po ba or hindi?
Okay lang.
Ay, okay lang si ma'am, oh.
Okay lang sa akin. Maganda naman ako.
Yun! Ang pinaka-the-best doon!
Ganda naman eh. Hindi naman tapon.
Panoorin namin yan.
Lawag. Okay lang, nakakatuwa kasi shinare ko talaga. My God, makikita ng best friend ko to. Hi, Jame.
Yan, ito yung camera natin. Ito dalawa.
Yung best friend ko nasa Dubai, si Jamela yan. Hi,
Yan,
Jame.
say hi to the... Shout out po.
Shoutout sa best friend ko, umuwi ka na. Kain na.
Yan.
Bawal pala yun.
Beep! Oh, yan. Beep
Eto
natin.
kuya, dahil pinatawa mo din ako. Thank
No.
you so much.
Actually po ma'am, pag may meron akong napaprank, it's a free ride po talaga.
Ano?
Yes po. Ay, natawa si
ano na rin niya
ma'am.
kasi.
Ay, i-flex mo nga with high honor.
Ay, yun know, congratulations nga pala.
Thank you.
Kinuha mo
With high honors.
Wow, anong grade?
Grade 11.
Yun oh.
Sa mga kaaway ko.
Wow, congrats.
Pero thank you, akala ko talaga.
Yeah, it's a free ride. Akala nyo talaga Korean?
It's a prank.
Yeah, it's a prank and it's a fake, no? hindi ako Koreano, Pilipino po ako. So it's a prank.
Hindi halata.
Buti na lang mabait.
Kala ko
Ang bait niyo po, no? Hindi lang mabait, pares kayong maganda.
Kuya, tama na yun.
So ayan, it's a prank.
It's a prank and it's a free ride.
Yeah, it's a prank and it's a free ride and congratulations po.
Ay, thank you
Yay.
po. Wala pa ako something sa April kasi. Pag-basis kasi ako eh. Kakakain lang namin sa pag-basis ako ngayon.
Pero hindi halatang 28, ma'am, ha?
Shit.
okay na yun.
Bye-bye!
Salamat po.
Panoorin nyo na lang po yung vlogs natin, no?
Sige po. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye! Yon at it's Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster, ang laging nagsasabing, I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great pretender.